Hello, we are here again in our Chymall tutorial videos. This is the Chymall Educator channels. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to register a new member. And this video is going to be the part 1 of this. Actually, I have created a video like this before time, but it did not actually turn out to be what I wanted it to be. And since a lot of persons have been trying to ask questions, I decided to record this, especially at this time. How to register a new member. You have to know this. A lot of us over time have depended on others to do it for us. This is the time for you to learn how to do these things and depend less on others. So we're going to move on in this video. It's going to be a practical video, so be sure, be ready to follow through. This video is one of our Chymall tutorial videos, like I've just said before now, and prepared by Chymall Educator. Chymall Educator is a YouTube channel. We also have a website that will be ready very soon, where we'll train and educate on everything money, business, online, offline, management, education technology, finance. Mention them. We'll talk about all this. So we are believing that there's no way you won't benefit if you're a member of this, community. So do well to subscribe to this channel. You don't just subscribe, you try as much as possible to also hit the notification button so that once we release a video, you'll be the first to be notified about it. Like this video, very important. Make your comment, ask your questions, encourage us the more, and do not forget to share this video. A lot of persons in that group where you belong need something like this. Your downlines, whoever, give them this video. Very, very important. You can as well use it as you can download it freely. Yes, we made it so easier. You can download and use it also as your training guide. Very, very free. You have to do that. But if you have further questions, you want to ask us more questions and connect with us on other areas of business and whatever, you can reach us through our WhatsApp handle. You can see the number there. So you are free. Now, like I told you, this is a practical video, so we're going on the net immediately. Once again, subscribe, like, comment, and share. Now we're back to the net. As usual, in Chymall, if you want to register a new member, there are 2 ways to do that. But what I'm going to share with us in this video is what I see as the easiest one, and that's the best way. It makes things easier for you in everything, and that is you've already logged into your account, and you're the one that want to register. Now watch me, this is one of my accounts, so I have it here now. So I'm going to go to my account. Look at it, my account. You can see my cursor movement, so I click on it. My account is scrolling, it's coming up. It's okay. Once I get to my account, then I click on my account here to have every detail of what I want. It's okay. Let me scroll down. Forget what you're seeing in my money. That's not what I'm showing you. So I'm going to look at all these buttons on the left side. You could see them. But where I'm going is where we call network diagram. Like I told you, there are 2 ways to register. You can go through invitation link or network diagram, but that's the one I want to use now, the network diagram. So I click on it. I click on the network diagram. It's a lengthy process. That's why you download the video, take your time and watch offline. Very important. You can always do that. Now, See what's going on. This is me, and I have spaces. My two legs are balanced. Look at these ones are balanced. So what do? I can now still choose, click on one of these. Yes, I can click on one of these hands. It's still under me. Maybe if I click on, let's say, Amarawiz, I click on it, I will still see, part of this uh, tree where I can register if there are empty spaces. Under Amarawiz, you could see the two legs are not balanced. So I choose any of these open spaces. Now watch what I'm going to do. Now, let me stop here before I go on. If you're going to register someone through this network diagram, like where I just clicked, please don't forget, you have to make sure you already have the equivalent consumption point and activation point for that restriction. Now, how does it work? Because if you don't have it, the system will tell you can't go. It will now work out. It won't. Get this. I'm taking it easy in this video. I want you to understand what to do. So what does that mean? If someone wants to register under you, the right thing to do is to let the person pay in money to you. And now what is it? Someone who is registered under VIP2, whatever money he pays you, which is $140. Out of that $140, remember $90 there is going to go for cheap points. Either the one you have, you cannot convert, or you need to buy from outside there. Then the other 50 cheap points for VIP2 now, the other 50 cheap points, 35 will be consumption points, while 50 will be activation point. And activation point you cannot buy from a member. You don't even have it. In that case, you have to consult your service center. I'm talking about VIP2 now. So your service center must sell to you 15 chip points sent to your own account. This particular account in this case now, the one I'm using to register someone, not the other person's account. You yourself that is already an activated member, the chip activation point will be sent to you. Now, if you don't also have consumption point, which I know many of us have so much of them, you still buy 35 consumption points, see coming to your account. Then the other money will be used to buy cheap point. If you have, you use your own. If you have parts, you buy additionally. If you don't have at all, you buy all. So, but the most important thing too you must have before this restriction goes through is the consumption point 35 and activation point, which is 15. That's for VIP2. If it's a VIP3 registration, then consumption point there will be 70, activation point 30. I hope you're following it. You're getting what I'm saying. Then if it's VIP4, guess what it will be? What will it be? If VIP3 consumption point is 70, then this one is 50. So in VIP4, just check it. The difference always when you're dealing with VIP 5. Okay, let me show you once again from this. Look at it. If you can see, VIP4 is the restriction is 300. So in this 300, what you're going to have here is if I'm going to have out of that 300, consumption points here will be 35%. No, not 35%, sorry. Consumption point here will be 70%, yes, sorry. Yes, 70%, which is 210 consumption points, while the rest, 90, will be for the activation point. So are you getting it? So if it's VIP5, it's double of that. If it's VIP6, it's double of VIP5. If it's VIP7, it's double of what you did in VIP6. So try to get this, and let's go back to the exact thing we are talking about. So you must, based on what the person is registering on, that the package is going into, you must have the equivalent. If you don't do that, it's not going to go through. So once you have it, now see what you do. You click. Clicking on the left means I want to play this person on the left. If I want it to be on the right, I will do that. Now automatically it. Do you want to change this language? Leave it. Then what's the username of the person you want to register? Not your own, the username. This one is automatically, you can't change it. Referral ID, that's my referral because I started this restriction under my account. So the system recognizes that. Then, but this placer ID, I can change it. You know, okay, it's already, the thing is also, the way I did it is already under Amaraways. So I placed this under my downline called Amaraways because my two, whatever has shut up, the two side, my left and my right leg. So I need to place this under a downline. Now I place it under left zone. The system recognizes that. What's the service center? This is my own service center. But if I decide to place this person under another service center, it's still possible. I can click here and change the service center. Now, the next thing is what package. You see, this is what will determine what the system will call from you. Is it VIP 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7? I decide to choose whichever one I say to. What's the country? You choose the country. You can see the country list there. Let's assume I choose Algeria. Now, detailed address. You put the detailed address of that person here. Then the login password, confirm it. The payment password, confirm it. Most times you might use the same password for login and payment so that you are not confused. You know the difficulty of trying to do something and you forgot what you did before. So you can use the same. And once you're done, click on I've agreed on this and click register. Now once you've done this, it's not yet over. Listen to me. Now, you already have the username of the account you registered now and the password. Now go back, log out from your account, this account now. You're going to log out and then log in to that new account. That's what you're going to do. You have to do that. You log out and log in. So let's watch it out now. So see what it's going to be. I want to just show you a few things. Assuming that the account I'm talking about is this. Okay, I'm now logging in to that new account I've created. I'm going to show you a few things now. Remember, this account is not yet activated, but that thing you did, because you already have the equivalent amount of activation point and consumption point when you're doing this, that once you did the registration and successfully submitted, the whole thing, those activation points and consumption points have moved to these accounts. Yet at that moment, if you check this account, though this one is a registered account activated, what you see here will be non-activated. You're going to see because it's not yet activated. Now, as a VIP2 account, for you to activate it, you now click on Be a VIP. This is a new account you've created. What you did the other time is like transferring the account something to it. Now, be a VIP. Now the person comes here. I'm registered under VIP2. So which one is a VIP2 package? The one that this is VIP3. So VIP2 package will be 150. That's look at it. I click on it. Watch what I'm doing. Watch it, get it clear. I'm not going to complete this because this is an activated account. So once you get here, see what you do. Click on this one. Click on this picture. Do you get what I'm saying? Once you click on buy, I won't do that naturally. It will not, because the system knows that what I'm doing is not what I'm supposed to do. So if we click on buy, you follow the process. Just follow the prompts where they ask you to put address, put everything. Once you get there, you get to a point when it comes to payment, they will now tell you need to pay so amount of consumption points and so amount of activation points to complete this. And exactly you have it. And once you do that, you complete the activation of this account. I stop here. I tell you, I'm going to release the part 2 of this video to complete the video. Thank you for your time.